Hi Outstanders! This video is gonna be different and I'm sorry my hand is a bit shaky. So today I'm just going to share with you what my Sunday looks like and how I recharge before I go back online again. So I hope you enjoy this journey with me today. So I'm already here at the venue. I'm actually Catholic and our community doesn't really hold mass in churches but in malls or in theaters, so in cinemas. So that's the kind of spiritual family that I serve with. I'm serving as one of the singers in our community, and today is actually my rest day, and once a month I do serve as a singer and I'm also serving in production. But now I'm just resting and I'm attending. So in a little while I'll show you what our prayer meeting is like. But if I don't travel, this is my usual routine every Sunday. So watch out for it.
A day to weep and a day to laugh. A moment to be silent and a moment to speak. A season to hate and a season to love.
How many of you here believe that God wants a great and beautiful life for you? If you believe that, can you raise your hands? I want you to encourage those people around you, around 3 people around you, and tell those people your life will become beautiful.
Your life will become beautiful. Your life will become
Amen. Amen. Are there first timers here? Can you raise your hands?
So we just finished the prayer meeting, and usually after service of course we have that closing prayer, and let's check them out. There they are. So after this, we usually gather together and eat our lunch. And then since we have an upcoming event in July, I presume that we will be having a meeting later. So see you. Now I'm back home, and we just had a short meeting and a little fellowship after the service. So I wasn't able to capture some pictures because I'm not really used to it. So anyway, that's the highlight of my Sunday. So after the prayer meeting, now I'm back home. I usually try to be as offline as possible since my business and my work is always online. So for 6 days I am always online, so I try to be offline as much as possible every Sunday. So maybe later I will watch a movie with my daughter or watch a movie on my own. So that's actually the typical Sunday for me, unless I'm out of town, out of the country, or with my friends, or if we have some family gatherings. That's how I refresh my week. That's how I re-energize and refill my life so that I will be ready tomorrow and the coming weekdays. I already look tired. Can you notice that? Do I look like I'm already tired for the day? Anyway, thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. I know that this is a little different from the videos that I'm sharing with you, but I guess it's time to share more personal experiences with you, and I hope that you like this video. So how about you? How do you recharge? How do you take vitamins for your mind and for your soul or for your heart? I want you to share with me what are you doing every Sunday, what your Sunday looks like. And I look forward to seeing them in the comments below. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to hit subscribe and like this video. And I look forward to talking with you soon again. Bye!